Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Brandon with Taylor's Fire and Smoke Cooking. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a little short video I'm going to do. We're going to review a product from Super Clean like you've seen on some of the other channels with their reviews. I too got chosen to review a product or get some stuff sent out. So I'm going to, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to use it on my glass top stove. Mine is white and it gets dirty very easily, and it's not the most easy thing to clean. So I've done some cooking and I intentionally let one of the burners get pretty bad, so we're going to use it on there and see how it does. They did send out an aerosol. They sent out a concentrated spray version and a wheel spray, but I'm only going to use the concentrated and the aerosol on my stove. So let's get into it and see how it turns out. Can't wait. They also sent out this dope little t-shirt and this hat, which I love hats, so I appreciate that, y'all. All right, guys, so as you can see how dirty this eye is, seems like you can cook 1 or 2 times and it looks like this on this flat top. I hate using a flat top, but that's what we have, so that's what we're going to do. What I'm going to do, though, I'm going to use the aerosol spray that they sent out. I'm just going to put it on here and let it sit up for a little while, and then we're going to go ahead and give it a scrub and see how it comes. Now, all I have is just a little green scrubby, and we're going to go ahead and then start scrubbing with it. Now, keep in mind, when I clean my stove, I normally have to use oven cleaner and sometimes a razor to kind of scrape some of that soot and that debris off of there. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to use a little elbow grease in this green scrubby to see how it comes. And as you can see, it's doing a really good job. I'm really impressed. Now, if you can still see some dark spots on this cooktop, that's because it's stained from many cooks on top of it. So I just cannot get that part clean. But it is, you know, coming pretty good. So with just the aerosol, it did okay. But now I'm going to go ahead and try the concentrated cleaner straight out the bottle to try to get the rest of the debris off of here and see how it does. And as you can see, you know, after a few sprays and we let it sit up for a little bit, it was able to get all of the dark, heavy spots off of there, and it came really clean. Like I said, what you see on here, that's stained. I don't care what you do, soft scrub, brush, bleach, and baking soda, vinegar and baking soda, whatever it takes, you can't get that off. But outside of that, it did really well, so I'm impressed. So Super Clean, good job, and I highly recommend it. Link in the